The following presentation was recorded at the NDS Public Conference in September 2020.
I'm pleased to be here and share what we did in this NDS.Live Task Force.
Can you hold on, please, Otto, for a second? We need to reset up the presentation in Frankfurt.
Here you are, in full brightness with your presentation on the big screen. Good.
Great. Okay, so we applied in this NDS.Live joint development team with our Intelligence Co-Driver Client to evaluate and test NDS.Live map services. This Intelligence Co-Driver is basically, that was introduced yesterday by Martin Pfeiffer, our CTO. So yesterday on the ORDF meeting, so you must have seen and probably aware of what is it, but if not, then briefly. So this is a software module where we combine navigation, route paths, HD maps, lane level positioning, and sensor information, and provide advanced guidance instructions. So it's mainly utilizing HD map for IVI use cases. And the reason, so as this client is utilizing HD map, so we connected to Navinfo Europe HD map service. They provided their HD lane data also in NDS classic format that you can see on the screen as well. So it helped us to set the demo environment as well, to see where we have data available, and we can get familiar with Navinfo Europe HD data as well. And then step by step, they provided NDS.Live data still offline. And a week ago, we got access to their smart layer service, and really appreciate the effort from Navinfo Europe. And I'm sure that we made a quite successful demo. I will also show it to you. And the client that we use is yes, basically our Intelligence Co-Driver. We already have a map streaming solution. It was developed based on NDS classic format still, and what we had to do is basically adopting this solution to NDS.Live service. And yeah, let's see how we realized this demo. So it's going to be a video, but before I start playing it, you can see that we are in a SD map view. The map is calculated already on the SD map, because that's designed for route calculation. And when I start the video, I'm going to zoom into the HD map level. And you can see that that particular tile has been already downloaded. And as we approach to the die border, then we sent out a request to the Navinfo smart layer service that which smart layer tile do we need to download. And this is actually a quite extreme demo, that you can see that the simulation speed is 400 km/h. And the request that we sent out is basically just 100 meter before the tie border. And we could also check or test the latency of the NDS live service, which basically proved to be perfect. And another challenge was basically that how to match the SD map calculated route to NDS.Live HD data. In NDS Classic, we already had a solution for that, but for NDS.Live, we had to revise it and do some modification it, and it wasn't absolutely straightforward how to match the SD map calculated route, the HD Classic SD map calculated route on the NDS.Live data. And yeah, but finally we could manage it. And on the bottom right corner, you can also see the download counter. So how many ties, how many smart layer ties we downloaded, and basically the data usage. We also tested the interoperability of this NDS.Live concept. So we received also access from here, NDS.Live service, just a couple of days ago. And we simply changed the URL link in our client that you can see here right now. And we could actually make the request and downloaded certain layers already into the memory. We are still not able to visualize it, but it also proves the interoperability of these NDS.Live services, standardized interfaces, that we can easily change between NDS.Live map services. In the past, we have been evaluated many map services, also HD live map services. And we know that whenever a new provider came and we started the integration, or also the already available integrated live map service changed their delivery platform, then it took us quite a lot of time to do the reintegration. While in this case with NDS live services, we already see that we can significantly reduce the integration cost of yeah, let's say evaluating certain map services. And the outlook for the future, so that's where we are right now. So we are able to visualize the streamed NDS.Live data, and we would like to use it also for our real intelligence co-driver solution. That has been already also introduced yesterday on the ORDF. This is our advanced solution for intelligence co-driver, where we have the planned route on the navigation system. There we have also the lane path. So the reconstructed SD calculated route reconstructed on HD lane level, and we simply visualize these HD lanes in the navigation map. It's quite similar what Markus Kerper presented today. While on the other screen above, that's the HD 3D visualization module. And we send basically the positioning and the orientation information to this HD client, and visualize basically the guidance information that is generated on the below software stack. For this solution, we need a lane level positioning system, and we are also evaluating what is available on the market, like correction, GNSS services or RTK, and that will be the next step to adopt this solution to NDS.Live HD services. And another outlook for the future, it's basically the augmented reality view. So this is a very special demo, because in this case we use a very advanced positioning data. It's so not only three-dimensional positioning, but also another three-dimensional orientation positioning information. So the so-called 6D pose, and how we can match our HD view to the 6D pose camera image. That's what you will see. Here we are. And I can also remove certain HD layers from the screen, like the localization landmarks, barriers, road surface, and also the lane boundaries, and keep only the generated lane guidance on the screen, and basically using it for augmented reality scene. So it's already a very advanced solution, and our intention is also to evaluate the NDS.Live service. How can we adopt our intelligence co-driver to this new technology? So our intention is to continue this development, this joint development, and see how we can also contribute to the standard. Okay, that's from my side.
Thank you for watching. Visit our website for news on NDS at nds-association.org.